Jasmine here, and I'm back with another video. So today I decided to record this makeup look. It's pretty similar to the makeup that I had on in one of my previous videos, the Too Faced Jackie Aina little demo try on of the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's pretty similar to that eyeshadow I had. It's just a little more dramatic, a little more bold, a little more doing the most, because you know sometimes you gotta do the most. So I decided to do a video. It's gonna be titled, as I'm sure you already see, watch me go 0 to 100 real quick, because it is going to be real quick, because this is going to be like a sped up video. I'm not talking through it. It's like a get ready with me style sped up type of video. And yeah, so I did use the DesixKaty Dose of Colors little collaboration, the new Friendcation palette, which mine is broke. Well, you can't really tell this broken, but they did send me a new one, but I have to send this one back. So yeah, I use this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, pretty much a lot of the shades. But I will have all of the products I use listed in the description box. And I forgot to use the highlighter in the video. I used the Champagne Pop Jaclyn Hill's collection with Becca highlighter, but at the end I went over it with the Dose of Colors DesixKaty Chasing the Sun, which is super pretty. It's really, really gorge. But anyway, so I use that. But whatever is in the eyeshadows, I mean, everything about me is pretty sensitive, honestly, but when the eyeshadow gets in my eye, it burns. Like, it burns. Like, my eyes are watering so much throughout this video, but whatever. So yeah, I decided to do this look. I love it. I went for a bolder eye and a more neutral nude lip, and I freaking love it. I freaking love it. So yeah, thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, please, and also turn on the notifications, you know, so you can keep up to date with the Bella Squad and what I'm up to and all the videos I post. Why not be notified and just be able to be the first to comment or something? I don't know, but please, please, please subscribe and turn on the notifications. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned for the video. Bye, guys.
Let me cross the ocean to your land, settle down upon the sea, lie beneath the tree. Don't wanna miss our second chance. Let me cross the ocean blue, settle down right next to you, lie beneath the palm tree. Don't wanna miss our second chance. Second chance. Second chance. Second chance. When the sun is shining, it's you and me. When our hearts are beating, it's so lovely. When it's dark and rainy, it's hard to see. When there is a hurricane, I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your, I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your life. Swept up in your love again. Swept up. Waiting for the calm before the storm, resting on the clouds and staring at the stars, living in our dreams. Lightning is our dance and thunder is our song. The rain is our romance. The flood will move slow. Move along. Move along. Move along. Move along. Move along. When the sun shines, you and me. When our hearts are beating so lovely. When it's dark and rainy, it's hard to see. When there is a hurricane, I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your, swept up in your, I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your, I'm swept up in your, I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. Only you can make this better, babe. All this time my heart's been so afraid. I feel my tears on day by day, watching you walk away, watching you walk away. Just like a wave brushes me on fire, dragged underneath the tide, lost in your sweet blue eyes. I found my way home to you. I found my way home to you. I'm drowning on my way to you. I'm drowning on my way to you. I got a feeling you've got a part to play. Just letting time between us slip away. Watching you play these games day by day, taking my heart with you. You're taking my heart away. Just like a wave brushes me on fire, dragged underneath the tide, lost in your sweet blue eyes. I found my way home to you. I found my way home to you. I'm drowning on my way 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 to you. Your kiss on my lips, can so while I'm the air. Your kiss on my lips, can so while I'm the air. Your kiss on my lips, can so while I'm this, yeah. Your swept up, swept up. Let me cross the ocean to your land, settle down. second chance. Let me cross the ocean blue, settle down right next to you, lie beneath the palm tree. Don't wanna miss our second chance. Second chance. Second chance. Second chance. When the sun is shining, it's you and me. We're not hard to be, and you're so lovely. When it's dark and rainy, it's hard to see. When there is a hurricane, I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your, I'm swept up in your, I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your life. Swept up in your love again. Swept up. Waiting for the calm before the storm. Resting on the clouds and staring at the stars, living in our dreams. Lightning is our dance, and thunder is our song. The rain is our romance. The flood will move along. Move along. Move along. Move along. Move along. Move along. When the sun is shining, it's you and me. We're not hard to be, and you're so lovely. When it's dark and rainy, it's hard to see. When there is a hurricane, I'm swept up in your, I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your, I'm swept up in your, I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your, I'm swept up in your, I'm swept up in your love again. I'm swept up in your love again. Reckless behavior with you, beg your palm trees, Malibu. Our bad attitude shines right through. Top down with the music loud, hands up, get filthy now, 'cause we don't care. Ooh, won't you stop and stare? 'Cause when a song comes on, we drop it low and shake. Bad girls represent this state, California craze. And when a song comes on, we dance without class, 'cause no one here's got time for that. West Coast, where you at? Tropical print, high-waisted shit. I feel the freshest vibes with you. I love to spend my time with you. The weather's perfect here. So girl, let your head down. Go on and move to the beat now. Let them follow your lead. 'Cause when a song comes on, we drop it low and shake. Bad girls represent this state, California craze. And when a song comes on, we dance without class, 'cause no one here's got time for that. West Coast, where you at?
think the video is titled "The Truth About This Relationship," or "The Things I Didn't Tell You About the Relationship," or something like that. But basically, she just exposed Chrissy for some stuff. Even though she said she wasn't trying to bash Chrissy, she kind of did, because you exposed her business, which that's not your place to expose, I don't think.